7 effective social media marketing strategies. When it comes to creating a successful social media marketing strategy, things might seem pretty straightforward. You make your post, people follow, you get a fan base, and then you get cash. The truth is, it's a lot more complicated than that, because there are so many tricky ins and outs to be found in this line of work. We've put together a whole list of 7 effective strategies that you can use to turn your career around. 7. You need to keep all of your work relevant. You have to be able to engage with them, and to give your audience a clear view of what they can actually expect out of your work. This will also help you put together a clear schedule for your own process. You need to use this interaction to help make a set of goals that are easily obtainable. By creating strategic goals based off of relevant work, then you're going to be able to easily find a way to produce viable and successful content. It's only by producing this content on a steady basis that you're going to be able to build up a fan base who will come back again and again. 6. Understand your content and understand your target audience. Before you can begin crafting a viable marketing strategy, you have to be able to get your hands on with your work. And of course, you can use this to help create a persona that will allow you to continue reaching out to your audience in a wide-reaching spread. So, what's a persona? Well, it's a set outlook that you use in all of your media, perhaps a name that you call your fans, and even a set aesthetic that you want to stick with. You could build up your persona by looking into the content that you're producing and figuring out what your target audience will connect with the most. Connecting with your audience is one of the most important things that you can do. 5. Learn about the different audiences. You aren't going to be able to advertise to every single one of these groups at once, but you can't advertise to the liberals and the conservatives at the same time. You might not like it, but you have to be able to pick who you can get the most amount of money and fame from, and then focus on advertising to a singular sect. Now, politics aren't the only thing that can divide your audiences. You could also divide them based on popular aesthetics, fandom views, and even favorite animals or colors. 4. View your competition as a challenge. A lot of people get squeamish when it comes to their competition, but you should view it as a way to challenge yourself to get better. Now, you've got a standard to meet. You have to hit their standard, and then you have to keep going, and going, and going, until you're at a place where you have surpassed the competition. And you can't get to that level without recognizing them in the first place. By understanding how your competition functions, you can begin implementing new experiences and other prospects, letting this challenge fuel you and push you to all new heights. 3. Make sure that you have a strong team. Sure, having a group of like-minded people backing you up is important, but do you know what's even more important? Making sure that they each have a different strength. That means you're going to be able to turn to someone on your team with a set specialty. No matter what problem you happen to be having, you're never going to run into a brick wall again. In fact, this is one of the most important things you can do. While you should all share the same view and work towards the same goal, you're going to need to be able to divvy the work up between specialists to make sure that everything is being successfully managed. 2. Pick a hero. You need to be able to find someone similar to you who also happens to be rocking out a fully successful story. This is going to keep you motivated even through the hard times, so you never forget what it is you're looking to achieve. Don't let yourself fall into the mindset of, they are big and I am not. Let it be an example of what you can achieve in the future. And even more importantly, let it remind you of what you're working towards. You can achieve the same things that they did. You can even get up to a step above them. 1. Make sure that you pick a brand and hold it high. Now, that is going to be one of the most defining parts of this whole endeavor. You need to not only pick a brand that has a lot of spunk behind it, but also a brand that will inspire you and pull others into your gravitational pull. You need to be able to expand this brand out through all aspects of your social media career. So make sure that it's something you're going to be able to rock out long term. After all, changing brands in the middle of your career is going to leave your fans confused and curious. And there we go. Some of these might seem harder than others, but that's why it's been broken down into parts. If you want to make the best social media marketing strategy out there, you're going to want to put some serious thought into these points. And if you really want to make sure that your social media career kicks off, then you should like this video and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to leave a comment before you go too. Let us know, what is your brand all about?